Falsey says, I had a full-blown 3 nights worth of dreams about you that ended up making me have a crush on you for a week or two. Oh shit! Kept reminding myself thinking like that is the worst form of parasocial relationship. So I got over it. LOL. That was fast. That's a very... I wish I had that trait. You know? This sounded like a very intense thing, like 3 nights worth of dreams about one person? That's actually like... You'd have to think about them a lot during the day to have 3 nights worth of dreams about the same person. You must have had a mega crush on me. Low-key, thank you. Thanks, that's really nice of you. I don't even think my mom and dad thinks about me that much. And you had a full-on crush for like a week or two? Like, that's long. Especially because like, you know, I don't know who the fuck you are. And also... probably only appear once a day for like 3 to 4 hours. That's a lot. Infatuation's strong. I'm glad you got over it because like I don't really... I wouldn't say I'm the best person to kind of like give you the satisfaction that, you know, these relationships call for. I would not be able to fulfill that position. Even if I wanted to, I would not be able to. So yeah, I think it was for the best. I see that you have Rosemi's Hoshi mark, and I hope you don't have the same problem but applied to Rosemi. Because I feel like Rosemi is way more appealing, cuter, and like just better in every aspect. So I feel like it would be a little bit hard to let go of a crush if it's on Rosemi. So yeah, please don't crush on my friend because she's mine.